Selena Thompson here, and a goal has been allowed. 1-0 to the East. There's a chance here for number 14. It's a chance. Yes, it's 2-0. Jasmine Spence. Has given the East a 2-0 lead. Just about coming to a close. Here's the corner kick from Dill. The fifth corner kick. Oh, yes.
That's it. And the fourth.
So the West get on the score sheet, but in the dying minutes, we'll tell you who that was. I think it was number 12 there. That would be Kanisha Nanette.